building our fire pit. This one is kind of just thrown together and it's been a mess because we didn't attach the bricks to each other. We didn't really measure, and as you can see, it's all wonky because every time we put a big log in, the bricks start to fall off. And I kind of like, I want like a high back fire pit. I've seen those and I think they look really nice. So I'm gonna move it, I'm gonna relocate it over here and try to do a high back. And I'm gonna try to do this by myself today. So to start, I kind of have to pick this spot because there's no branches right above it. So I need to put one circle of bricks so that I know how big, and then dig around and dig down to make it nicer. This we just like plopped on top. It's not level, it's not anything. So I brought gloves so I'm not killing my hands like usual. I've done a lot of searching on Pinterest to figure out how to do this right. Now that fall is here, we want to use the fire pit, so I just want it set up nice. So I'm going to keep it the same size as this. I'm just going to do it more decorative. So it'll still be 14 bricks around, which is pretty big. I think it looks great. I'll bring you let's take these off and I'll bring the camera over so you can see. Okay, here we go. Not bad, huh? So, hopefully, in like a week, the glue will be fully set and cured, and then none of those bricks will wobble at all, and it'll be way more sturdy than the pit we had before, and it's still the same size, so we can still put big things in there, and we can still have a big area around it of people sitting around the fire pit. I think it looks great. I'm pretty impressed with myself, if I do say so myself. So, there you go. A very out of shape housewife built a fire pit in an hour with minimal supplies. Like and subscribe if you are into this and you want to see more projects like this that I tackle myself now that all 3 of my kids are in school. Thanks for watching.